Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update ngayong June 16 to 30, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano makapagpabook for a private reading. So let's see, Cancer, what's up with you? June 16 to 30, 2024. What's up? What's coming to you? Okay. Yung mga hinihintay nyo, parating na. You have the Emperor. Wow. So this is about structure. Kumbaga, mas disiplinado ka ngayon. No? Mas may plano. Mas alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo. You know what you want. And you are ready to take action. This is energy rin ng Aries. You have the Six of Swords. Yes, taking a new route. No? Parang may bago kang landas na tinatahak ngayon. Iniiwan mo na ang mga toxic situation, mga magugulo, conflict sa buhay mo. Ito yung mga bagay, sitwasyon na nagpapabagal ng progress mo, ng pag-unlad mo. Kaya ngayon, ikaw na yung magiging in control sa buhay mo. Kasi pwedeng may mga tao, sitwasyon sa buhay mo na pakiramdam mo kinokontrol ka, kaya hindi mo napupuntahan yung gusto mong puntahan. No? Not just a place, no? Kumbaga gusto mong maging successful na content creator, pero merong tao na pinipigilan ka na gawin yon or nagiging issue yung paggawa mo ng contents, 'di ba? So you're going to pursue what you really want. Okay? You're also going to be very committed with this. So pwede rin yung iba sa inyo, merong new relationship na papasukin or merong potential tong relationship na to. But I don't know, it seems na, potential lang siya, but meron kasing, pwedeng merong nagbibigay ng interest sa'yo, pero ikaw yung hindi interesado. Oo. Okay. So, overall energy mo, Seven of Pentacles. So, you are willing to wait, no? Kumbaga, nakapagtanim ka na. So, ngayon, waiting game na. Ikaw na yung kailangan mas maging patient sa resulta ng mga pinaghirapan mo. You have the Five of Pentacles. I feel like ang isa sa challenge mo is yung pagmamanage ng finances mo. Pwede kasing meron kang mga naging bad decisions sa pera mo na pwedeng nabigla ka lang, tapos napabili ka ng mga bagay na hindi mo naman talaga kailangan. So, ito yung kailangan mong i-work out, no? Yung iyong habits, spending habits mo. You have the Chariot as your opportunity. So this is success, blessing, moving on, moving forward. I think ngayon you have the opportunity na mas maging focus sa mga goals mo. And ito rin yung pagde-take ng action sa mga plano mo na hindi mo na siya ipagpapaliban. Magiging very committed ka sa mga goals mo. You have the Four of Pentacles as your blessing. This is financial stability, financial security. I think isa sa mga goal mo ngayon makapag-ipon. And as a blessing, yes, makukuha mo yan. As long as you have that, yung discipline. Okay? So sa money, career, finances, you have the Nine of Pentacles and the King of Cups. So you are going to be more financially stable, financially free, at may enjoy mo yun. No? Kumbaga, alam mo yung, you have the responsibility. Masarap rin sa feeling na wala kang ibang inaasahan kundi yung sarili mo, na you can be free, no? Kasi, syempre kapag meron tayong inaasahan, yung control dun sa taong inaasahan natin. Kasi kung hindi siya magbibigay, wala kang matatanggap, di ba? But for you, ikaw mismo, we will have that power to be in control of your finances. And I also see, maring may nag-open na opportunity sa'yo, leadership role sa trabaho, sa career mo. Sa relationship, you have the Queen of Cups and the Eight of Pentacles. I think kung kayo ay in a relationship right now, inaalagaan ka ng iyong romantic person. This person is really doing efforts, no, na para maging successful yung relationship ninyo. I see someone who's very expressive, no, na nagpapakita ng kanyang pagmamahal sa'yo. Very sweet. Seven of Pentacles is the Page of Swords. So, yung iba sa inyo may hinihintay kayong news, balita, tungkol sa hinihintay yung loan, or meron kayong pwedeng exams na hinihintay nyo yung resulta. Okay, you just have to be patient with it. Yung iba, you're also going to learn something new na sa tingin mo is mag-improve ng iyong confidence. You have the Four of Staves. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, merong mga pagkakagastosan sa iyong home life, family life. Of course, kung talagang kailangan, why not, diba? Kaya nga, kailangan mas maraming savings para just in case may mga kapamilya ka na kailangan ng tulong mo, meron ka maibibigay. You have the Six of Pentacles. Wow. So, speaking of tulong, whenever you need financial help, makukuha mo, marireceive mo. And I think ngayon, mas magiging maayos ka sa pagmamanage ng finances mo. Maaring ibabalance mo talaga kung magkano yung cash flow mo, kumbaga i-monitor mo na siya para at least you know what's coming out and coming in, what's going out and what's coming in, okay? You have the Moon, Four of Pentacles. So this is your instinct, your intuition, and your instinct, no? Kumbaga, pagdating sa finances, alam mo agad kung saan mo gagamitin yon at ano yung dapat at hindi mo dapat gawin. Some of you may mga pag-alala kasi pwedeng isip nyo na may ipon ko ba yung kailangan kong ipunin for this particular na kailangan kong bayaran. Yes, kaya mo yan. Kailangan lang maniwala ka sa sarili mo that you can do it. Yes. So, what is the Nine of Pentacles? You have the Page of Vessels. You're going to be very inspired, no? Lalo na yung ikaw na yung nakakabili ng sarili mong gamit, di ba? Hindi ka na nanghihiram or alam mong pinaghirapan mo yung binili noon, pinagbilhan noon. So, you're going to be more inspired. You have the Hierophant. May leadership role for some of you, Cancer. Sa workplace, pwede ikaw yung magiging trainer, teacher, coach. So, sa love life, you have the Ace of Staves and the Six of Swords. Yeah, I feel like kung meron kayong mga tampuhan ng person mo, if you are in a relationship, aayusin nyo yan. Hindi kayo basta-basta na parang, parang bahala na kung saan dalhin yung relationship ninyo. Kumbaga, you are open to discussion, pag-uusapan, ano yung problema, what went wrong, ano yung pwedeng kailangan nyo gawin para mas ma-improve yung relationship ninyo. Okay? Yung iba naman, if you are single, pwedeng meron kang makikilala na person na talagang who can take care of you, no? And I feel like this is a new exciting relationship sa inyo, lalo na kung itong person na to mahilig mag-travel at ikaw mahilig ka rin mag-travel. Mas lalo nyong may enjoy yung isa't isa, yung company ninyo. And I think dun mas ma-develop yung relationship ninyo. The Fates, wow. So I feel like ano man yung mga mangyayari second half ng June, it is meant to happen, okay? It is meant to happen. You just have to be open sa mga pagbabago, no? And appreciate, be grateful for the blessings na meron ka. You also have energy ng community. Some of you, napapaligiran kayo ng mga taong sumusuporta sa inyo sa mga ginagawa nyo. Yung iba sa inyo, content creators, meron kayong certain following. You are, pwedeng, yung social media influencer. So there are some people na very supportive sa work mo or sa ginagawa mo. Okay? Or some of you will be in a community na kung saan you will support each other. Okay? Yeah, self-love. Time to celebrate you and your magnificent light. Yes. Isa-celebrate mo ang iyong sarili. Focusing on taking care of yourself. Self-love, self-care. There's nothing wrong with that. Kasi sabi nga kung mas naaalagaan mo, minamahal mo yung sarili mo, mas mamahalin at kaya mong mag-alaga rin ng ibang tao. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye!